Yeah, here we have a jet 13-inch by 40-inch bench lathe. It's 230 volt, 2 horsepower. And we're going to power it up, show you that it does operate. Go back here to the switch, turn it on. And forward. You see the functions on the apron operate very well. Pull that up. So you got your longitudinal feed and your cross feed. Okay. You can also turn it manually. Turn it off and go in the opposite direction. Again, there's your longitudinal feed. Having a little trouble engaging there. There we go. There's an adjustment to the gear that has to be made in cross feed. Back to the head here. That's how you change the belt speed. From low to high, check the high operates, currently on low gear. Disengage. So as we stated, most of the mechanical functions operate very nicely on here. There might be an adjustment here on the cross feed here that needs to be made. It sounded like the gear was just kind of not engaging properly. Tailstock operates fine. That locks in. Okay, this includes some pickup hardware right here, so you can lift the lathe up. You got a toolbox with tools and some metric change gears. It also includes a 4-jaw chuck, and it does come with a coolant pan. Okay. The steady rest is broken. So that's going to have to be replaced, and the backsplash is missing. And we thank you for looking at our product.